Right, so we have got the answer here. Well, here. This is the answer. Let's have a look at what we did. We had. So I'll just delete those for the moment. Actually, can I just hide them? No, I'll just delete them. So we just had that, and what's the probability? And then we had to look at all these bits of information. The probability of there being an odd number is 3 out of 5. Well, there are 5 cards. There are 2 of them are odd at the moment. If the probability of there being an odd number is 3 out of 5, there must be 3 odd numbers. So that would mean that that's odd as well. At least one of these cards is odd. It doesn't really matter what order you put them in. So if we say that's odd, then, and that would also mean that these 2 would have to be even. So the next one, probability of it being 7 is 2 out of 5, which means we've got 2 7s. Which one is that going to be? It's got to be that one because 7 is odd. So we've got just 2 remaining numbers. Both of them have to be even. The range of the numbers is 10. This is what all this stuff down here was. We looked at all the different possibilities. We could have, well, not all of them, but we just did. We imagined if it was whole numbers more than higher than 0. It doesn't say anywhere that we can't have 0 and we can't have negative numbers. So there are other options we could have picked if we did 0 or negative numbers. But if we do positive numbers, we can start off with the 1 to 11 has a range of 10, but it can't be that because we know they have to be 2 even numbers. So if I wrote 1 and 11, they're not even, so it doesn't work. 2 and 12 would be a range of 10, but we can't have that because the next one, which says the probability of there being a 2 is 0. So in other words, there's no 2's. So it can't have that one. 3 and 13, that would give us a range of 10, but they're both odd numbers, not even, so that can't work either. 4 and 14 does work. They're both even. And the lowest number out of all 5 is a 4. The highest number is a 14, so it has a range of 10, and there's no 2's. Can't be 5 to 15 because they're odd. Can't be 6 to 16 because the lowest number out of all 5 would then be actually be a 5. So the range wouldn't be 10. The range would be 11. Can't be 7 or 7 and 17 because they're odd. Can't be 8 and 18 because again the lowest number is 5, so the range wouldn't be 10 still. So the only options, if we include positive numbers, is 4 and 14. Okay, let me just save that.